how the heck country with 1.4 billion people does not have 11 good players who can represent in the FIFA World Cup?
Fallacy, big fallacy.
What does that
1.4
mean?
billion, 1.4 billion कहते रहते हैं. See, if you go to Somalia and say, how does a country of 200 million, whatever, and you don't even have one nuclear scientist, वो बंदा बोलेगा भाई साहब मेरे यहाँ पे मेरा न्यूक्लियर है ही नहीं एनर्जी, मैं क्या करूँगा प्रोड्यूस करके न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट. So, there's a guy called Richard Hood who's a coach. He's done the study. Something was the birthplace effect. Now, there's another guy called Igor Stimac. He came third in the World Cup. He was the coach of the Indian national team. He's a great friend of mine. So I was sitting with him one day and I was trying to show off to him. यार मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. हाँ चंडीगढ़ से ना 2 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं मेरे कॉलेज से. I used to be in DAV कॉलेज. मैं अभिनव बिंद्रा और नीरज चोपड़ा दोनों DAV कॉलेज के हैं. And my God, mega be a sporting city. So he says, you know, my Croatia. He says, yeah. He says, you know the capital? I said, yeah. So he says the capital has around 100,000, 200,000 people. And just in my neighborhood is there, कहता around 14,000 people. I have 28 gold medals. और मैं चुप हो गया वहाँ पे. मैं कहा ठीक है भाई बस मैंने बोलना ही नहीं था.
की बात मैं बहुत फुकरी मार रहा था.
And then I was amazed and I went online and looked at it. That per capita and per number of people, they produce the maximum things. So it cannot be genes because there are other countries also. So जो birthplace effect कहता है कि there are some places where you will produce more of a certain kind of sports person. Like for example, and that's true. For example, Haryana में you'll find a lot of wrestlers coming out. Okay? And even probably from UP, but mostly from Haryana, and Punjab a little bit, but mostly from Haryana. Basketball is from some places in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and again Punjab. Now, same way, when you look at football, it had a birthplace effect that in the last 50 years, all the senior national teams have been made from 85% of the players have come from 25 districts. We have 740 some districts, 740. 85% of my players have come from 25 districts.